Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to The Future is Now. So, I want to touch bases on anyone that do not know what Canva is. So, Canva is a platform where you can edit and do so much things in it. And I'm going to walk you through each step at a time. But if you don't have a subscription or a link to get to Canva, I'm going to put it on my description so you can click on it and download Canva. And while you fill all the information needed there, you will come into the first page where it shows this page right here where you can see. And there is home right there, and this is the first page that you see. And where it shows for you right at the top um blue ribbon, you're going to see for you, and this is try something new. There is so much that you can do on Canva, a lot, unlimited stuff, and I'm going to be showing you over and over again. And also at the right, the top blue ribbon, there is the social media. These are things that you can use for your social media or video presentation. If you're doing presentation, if you're a student or if you're a worker and you have to present something to the company, or you want to print something, you want to make documents, whiteboards, website, creating a website, it's so much more that you can do. And again, I will be walking you on how to maximize Canva and make it useful on your daily work, and make it simpler or make work easier for you. So if you're ready to learn with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're not missing out any details or any learning that we're going to be doing here. And also, do me a favor, give it a like and comment, and also share with somebody that you know will benefit. I'm sure you will benefit from here too. Even if you know 1, 2, 3 things, there is always room to learn. Until then, keep learning.